How do we go from war with Iran to all-time highs in the same 24 hours? There's a skill that you want to develop as a trader, being informed by the market data, not our opinions or what we think the market should or should not be doing. And hang around, I'm going to show you how we knew that all-time highs were coming and how we captured it. Welcome to the review. It's Wednesday, January 8th, and this is the review for the live trade signals. We're looking at our prediction points. You can see we have this blue line and these three orange lines, and then up here, just a couple points up above where the market didn't quite get to, we had another line up here at 3270. So we're looking at blue lines are critical prices, orange lines are our key prices. We expect the market to trade from blue lines to blue lines. That's essentially how that works out. I am going to walk you through what we planned for today and how it actually played out in the market. If you want to watch the pre-market game planning video, you can find that right here on the link. You can click there and it'll take you to that video up here in the corner. And that will show you what we had planned out for this morning. That video is only available in the morning to our live trade signal subscribers, and we make it available later on our public YouTube channel. So what we said, and again, you can go verify all of this in the pre-market video. We said, ideally, if we pulled back to here, that 35.5 would hold. That ideally that would be as low as we'd get if we were going to go higher. Now, you got to keep in perspective here that we had a nearly 60-point sell-off. They bought it all back and brought it back up to where we were flirting with all-time highs. So this morning, a lot of retail traders are thinking this thing can't go up. And I even said in the video this morning, it's almost inconceivable that we can go from being bombed to all-time highs in a 24-hour period. But the market, anything's possible. So we were looking to buy here off of 35.5. That certainly did happen right here. So here was the open. This is where we had President Trump come on and start talking about what the whole scenario and what's going on with Iran. And so here we have the open pulls down here. We had 36. We had the prediction point here at 35.5. So within 2 ticks there. Great long opportunity all the way up to here at 32.50. The high there was 49.5. So again, within 2 ticks, pulled down back into this area, this 38 area, and then up to here we had 50 again, and wicked down here when we had President Trump talking. We used this 43. This is actually 43.25. And we use that within 2 ticks. So again, within 2 ticks on this price, great buy opportunity here. And then we were looking for, we said if we were to come up above this 50 area, yes, we needed to keep an eye on 54.5 and the all-time high up here at 63.5, but that we were certainly looking for new highs if we were to trade up above this 50 area. So I know there were some traders who caught a short here. And then when it came back up again, really great opportunity here to buy it and hold that for another push up. So there was this push. Let's hold that up here. We got up to 62, about 1.5 off the all-time high. So this trade from 43 up to 62, that's 19 points on that trade. And then pulled right back down here. We had 54.5. That came down to 55. So again, within 2 ticks. Came back down here from 55. This made another push up to almost to 68, about 13 points up to there. So we had this one from here at 50 or at 36 all the way up here to 50. So there's 14 points, there's 19 points, there's another 13 points, and then an opportunity to buy it down here again when it came down here if you wanted to buy it again. This was the close, so a little bit more aggressive. We talked a little bit about that yesterday. So there you have that. And that's pretty much how the day played out here. So really good day. again, new all-time highs, even on the news of everything that's going on with the U.S. and the Iran situation. Markets seem unfazed by it. They keep pushing to new all-time highs. So how we knew new all-time highs were coming was we'd use this price in the earlier part of the session. We'd already used this price, so we knew if we broke up above here, pretty good probabilities we were going to push to all-time highs. So when it wicked up, came back down here, and then got another push, figured new all-time highs were coming. And then when it came up to here around the 62 area, and they didn't reject it very strong off of the all-time high, the previous all-time high. So that tells me there's just a pause area up there. It's going to pull back. Had some traders messaging they were buyers down in this area. Definitely sat around looking for this one. Buyers down here. There's a 13-point push up. So pretty good day. Worked out great. We'll be back doing the same thing again tomorrow. Again, you can go watch the preview, the game planning video that we had for today, and see how we mapped all this out ahead of time, and then it pretty much happened the way that we said it. So there you have it, and we will see you in the live trade signals tomorrow.